So we're just browning the lamb chunks that have been done in about 2 centimetre cubes at the moment. Once we've done that, we'll add in the herbs and the spices and we'll go from there. Okay, so we've got diced turmeric, grated ginger, crushed garlic, some capsicum and some diced onion that's just gone in. And the next thing we'll put in is a beef Rendang mix, which is this one here that we've got from Aldi. And we're also going to add in a dried chili pepper. So you can see it's dried out nicely. We'll cut that with some scissors. So now we've stirred in all of the fresh herbs. We're just going to shake in the powdered mix and start cutting up the chili. So I'm just trying to do it in little pieces, seeds and all. Just when I get to the end, because they're getting bigger, alright, and then we'll just simmer that for a little bit of time. Tracy's saying to add some more cumin seeds in, so we've got some more just here. About a teaspoon. Some ground and some whole black peppers. And about a teaspoon of coriander as well. And about half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to add some coconut cream for the liquid part of this. Just put some water in that can just to rinse it. So about 1/3 of a can of water as well, just to rinse the can out so you don't miss anything. And that's just a light coconut cream. Right, so now what we do is just turn the flame down nice and low, put the lid on. So you should be able to see the flame just on the edge there, so you can see how it's nice and low. And we leave that for about half an hour. We'll show you then. Alright, so now we're going to add the eggplant into the curry. As you can see, it's simmered down and reduced nicely, and we've got a really nice balanced flavour as well. You didn't see me taste it, but we just did. So once we've got the eggplant in, we're going to stir it all through, and then we'll put the lid back on for about another 5-10 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. So we'll have the rice out and we'll show you the sides that we serve with it. Stay up. Alright, so you can see there we have cooked the curry and simmered it down, and the eggplant's just gotten soft. So we're about to turn it off, and I'm in the middle of preparing the tomato and the cucumber. As you can see, I've already done the tomato, just there. I will get the other bits and I'll turn the camera and we'll take photos and show you what we've done then, and that'll be it. Right, so we have cucumber, diced onion and coriander sliced up very nice and small with a dash of malt vinegar and some salt and some pepper. We have tomato diced up into about that size pieces. with some fresh mint, a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper again, and we've got a basmati rice, and we're about to cook some poppadoms. So once we've got the poppadoms cooked, once we start cooking, we'll film that and add it all together. Right, so we're going to cook some poppadoms. We've heated the oil up, but we need to find out whether it's warm enough. So we're going to get the poppadom, and we're going to just gently put it in on the side, and if it bubbles like mad, it's ready. But it's not ready. See how it didn't froth? Right, we'll wait a little bit and then we'll try again. Right, and we drop the poppadom in. We hold it down so we get a nice bowl, and out she comes. Straight away. Hold it in. And out she comes. Hold it in. And out she comes. Hold it in, and out she comes. And there we go, that's all the poppadoms done. And there we go, so the finished product. All we did was we used a metal bowl as a mould for the rice and just flipped it upside down, spoon in the cucumber, the curry and the tomato, and then put 2 poppadoms on it and feed it to a child. See ya.